How much is a breast augmentation actually going to cost me, and how to choose the right surgeon? Most women who come to me in consultation for a breast augmentation have already spent months doing research, watching every video, reading every blog, and they all have the same two questions. I'm Dr. Tatiana Luna, board-certified plastic surgeon in Bogotá, Colombia, with years of specialized experience in breast augmentation and harmonization. So let's get into it. Let's have the cost conversation. The first thing that I want to say is that every case is individual. Your anatomy, your goals, the implants that are right for your body, or whether or not you're getting combined procedures, all of that shapes your surgical plan and thus the cost of the surgery. A serious practice builds your quote around your specific case, and any quote that you receive without a personalized evaluation is really leaving things outside of the table. A complete quote should include the surgical facilities, the surgeons and anesthesiologists' fees, any technologies, the breast implants, and also the number of follow-ups that are included in your aftercare. Also, if you're traveling from abroad, travel logistics can be included as a comprehensive part of a travel package. When you receive a quote, ask specifically what's included. This question alone will tell you a great deal about how a practice operates. This is something that I want to address directly because I think it is important for international patients to know. Colombia has produced some of the most technically precise plastic surgeons in the world. Not only we train to international standards, but we're actually a reference for plastic surgeons all over the globe. The level of surgical finesse here in facial, breast, and body contour surgery are generally world-class. Patients come here first for the quality of care, but they always come back because the results speak for themselves. Beyond the excellent quality of care, the cost of plastic surgery in Colombia is much less than other countries like Canada, United States, and the Caribbean. Up to 40% less in surgical fees. This comes down to the economics of where we live. The overhead cost of a surgical practice in Canada or in New York is not the same as here, and that cost flows down to the patient. So it's not a matter of trading quality of results versus a lower price. It's just the same quality or even better, but the cost of living is much lower. There are 4 things that I would verify before trusting a plastic surgeon for my breast augmentation. First, board certification. In Colombia, that means an active membership to the Colombian Society of Plastic Surgeons, which is the entity that verifies and controls plastic surgeons' practices. Second, specialized training in breast surgery. Plastic surgery is a broad field, so it would be ideal that your plastic surgeon is trained especially in breast surgery, that has enough cases, enough experience, and knows the latest techniques and the specialized anatomy in order to give you the most favorable results. Third, ask about the surgical facility, the anesthesiologist, and any complication insurance that your quote includes. A surgeon who has a high standard of care won't hesitate answering these questions for you. And number 4, the consultation itself. Just see how it feels, that you feel like you trust this person, that they're listening to you, and that they give you an honest opinion and recommendation, even if that wasn't what you were expecting. If you have other questions regarding breast augmentation, about cost, the logistics, recovery, please leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them in following videos.